In this video, we will review the Polycom Real Presence Media Suite interface. Navigate to the Media Suite user portal by typing the IP address into your browser address bar. When the login screen appears, log in with admin-level user credentials. Click the user icon in the top right corner and select the My Media Center button. Click the Admin menu. The Appearance menu allows you to change the look and feel of the Media Suite user page. You can add a channel to the menu bar, add additional sliders, and clickable links to the main screen. The Media menu contains the existing archives, shows active calls, and allows you to review channels and categories. System-wide permissions, like allowing download of media, can be controlled under the Settings menu. You also have the ability to add transcoding profiles for usage. The Report menu shows overall system usage, such as total logins and views. Now let's go to the Admin portal and review the configuration of the Media Suite. Type the IP address of your server into your browser and add a / and the word admin. This directs you to a new interface. Log in using the same admin-level credentials that you used in the user portal. Once you are logged in, you see the home screen. Here you have the current calls that are running on the Media Suite, along with information about the status of the server. Clicking on the Real-Time Information icon gives you statistics for the selected call. You can also pause, stop, or change the layout if needed. The Call menu shows the same call information that is viewable on the home screen, but you now have more space in case there are multiple connections. The Media menu and the Archive submenu displays a list of recordings. Select a recording and then the Transcode button. This allows you to add recording formats to existing media. Select a format and then click the Add button. Additional transcoding templates are listed. Click Add. Now select the Transcoding menu to view the status of the transcoding. Next is the Template menu. You can add recording and transcoding templates for use with your virtual recording rooms or VRRs. Moving on to the User menu, select the User's submenu and add a new user. You can add groups for user organization also. The Admin menu is used for licensing, system logs, and other diagnostic functions. Review a few of the menus to get a better idea of some of the basic tasks. The Device menu shows the current status of the server and provides a way to configure the IP settings and network storage features. Also, the configuration of administrator drop-downs on the right side of the interface are used for server settings, such as call server registration and Active Directory connectivity. This concludes our review of the Media Suite interface.